Alright, hey guys, here we have a design house Manhattan in the more or less uncommon 42-inch size. Guess we're just really on a roll with the flush mountable K55 fans. But unlike the trade winds, this is actually flush mountable right out of the box. With the trade winds, you had to order a special system, same with Casablanca, other companies, etc. But yeah, this actually mounts to the top of the motor, much like a spinner motor fan would. So there's actually screw holes in the top of the motor where the canopy screws right to it, and then the canopy mounts to the bracket, kind of like a Hunter. It has a hook on the mounting bracket to hang the fan. I guess that's really all that's Hunter. The canopy just twists on with 2 screws and then 2 other screws secured in place. But yeah, this fan was installed in a kitchen, so it was pretty dirty when I got it. Fortunately, the finish wasn't pitted at all due to that install. So a lot of times when you get a fan that's installed in the kitchen, the grease really pits the finish. But other than that, it's in really good shape. I think one of the capacitors has failed, but I'm not entirely sure. It could be a replacement pole chain. But yeah, other than that, really cool fan. These are 4, 5, 6 blade adaptable, so that's another thing that's really cool about them. But yeah, other than that, really cool fans. Take a look at the top of the motor. Yeah, these are pretty common in my area. Not so much this variant, but design house in general, given that I've had 5. Well, 6 actually if you count the one that I gave to Pete. But yeah, let's go ahead and test out the light kit. And set the fan on low. Like I said in the trade winds video, this would actually be really cool to install like a, I don't know, anywhere with low ceilings, I guess. Let's go to medium, which is the speed that I suspect is failed, as it's not any faster than low. And let's go to high. These are very powerful, very quiet fans, as you'd expect from a K55. I mean, they're not crazy powerful like a little Lady Delta or whatever, but they're still pretty good. Alright, and let's do some depth. Alright, well there's the 6-blade configuration. We still have 2 more configurations to demonstrate, so I will be right back with 5 blades. Alright, well here's our 5-blade configuration. I don't think it looks bad with 5 blades, but I think if I was going to install one of these, I would definitely choose 6 blades. I don't know, something about 6-blade fans is just cool to me. But yeah, anyways. And these blades do not reverse like my 6-blade one. So it's just oak and oak. Alright. Spotlight kit. Which is of course intact, unlike a lot of Casablanca spotlight kits. Those have kind of a design flaw, so makes them a lot weaker than most other spotlight kits. Let's go to the other low, aka medium. And let's go to high. Let's do spin down. Yeah. I don't want to get on. You can see it does have a replacement pole chain. So I think what they use is actually a fan pole chain, so it's kind of funny, but whatever. It works. Alright, well there's the 5-blade configuration. We have one more configuration to go, and I will be right back. Alright, and the final configuration. 4 blades. And I don't know, I actually really do like this with 4 blades. I just think it just seems more commonplace with 4 blades. You know, this is usually what you would. I don't even know what I'm trying to say here, but just 4 blades for some reason makes sense. Maybe it's because it's kind of like a generic looking thing. But yeah, anyways, I don't know, I really do like it with 4 blades. Anyways, let's test out our leg kit. to medium. There's kind of a difference there. Not a big difference, but there was a difference. Let's go with that. I'm guessing they put a lower cap in most other 42-inch K55 fans because thus far I haven't found any that are as loud as a Lady Delta. Those things are just obnoxiously loud. Let's do spin down. Yeah, I already checked. It's not a three-way pole chain wire drawing. It's just they use a fan pole chain. So I don't know. Maybe they're out of light pole chains that day. Who knows? Yeah, I really do like this with 4 blades. I don't know what it is. I don't know, maybe bearings are a little stiff. Especially with that spotlight kit. I think it really makes it. Alright, well there's my design house Manhattan. Hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching.